Hello, quick unboxing of this, the Aarke Carbonator 3 steel. So this is the 3 following on from the 2, that's how numbers work. What else? What is new with it? I think the lever's a bit new. And this nozzle used to be plastic, now that's steel. I think that's why they call it the steel, because now more of it is steel rather than plastic. Right, let's have a look. Quite a nice box. Then it's a box within a box. Actually on top, what's this? Instructions. Ooh. Oh, this is something new that it comes with that the 2 didn't. A nice little cloth. And what's this? So this is the drip tray that goes on the bottom. Instructions. And then here it is. And what's behind it, you may ask? Well, this is the Aarke 2. Let's leave that there to compare. Ugh. Right, let's have a look. Get that out of the way. So there is the 3. And there is the 2. One thing I have noticed already that it doesn't come with that the 2 did is a canister. You don't get any compressed, well, whatever it is, the gas with it. You don't get any carbonated, well, the gas canister. So that's an added expense straight away. Visually, well, dimensions wise, they're exactly the same. The lever's different. Ooh, I've got the canister in there. Feels very similar. But apparently it's all redesigned, it's a better lever, apparently. This nozzle here plastic, this nozzle here stainless steel. Apart from that, I am struggling to tell any difference. Let's take the canister out of the old one. So to do that, yeah, you just unscrew it from the bottom. This is what goes in it, the Sodastream 60 litre. What do you call them? They're CO2 cylinders, that's the one. So it makes up to 60 litres. Let's pop this. Oops, always remember to take the drip tray off before you put your canister in, all that happens. Right, I do it every time. Right, let's pop this in here. So this screws in. There we go. What you'll notice when you push the lever down, it comes up a bit slower. That's the only difference I can tell. Is it better? Well, I don't know. I guess so. They must have had issues with the 2 for them to change it, I suppose. This is the main difference though, the stainless steel nozzle. If you've already got a 2, I'm not sure why you would upgrade, unless you really don't want plastic. So there's a nozzle. Right, let's go and have a look at it working. Right, you probably can't see this because they're clear, but these are the 2 bottles. This one on the right is the one that came with the Aarke 2. This one on the left is the Aarke 3. It looks a bit bigger. Feels pretty much the same. The cap is very similar. It's very hard to tell the difference. See if I can get you a better view of it. So there's the new one. I had no issues with the old one, to be honest. So, right, let's see how it works. So we screw this in. Might struggle to do that one-handed. Oh, got it. Screw it in, pull down the lever. And when it makes that noise, you let go. And you can do 1 press for a little bit fizzy, 2 presses for a bit more, and 3 for very... I'd usually do 2. That makes an odd noise. I assume it's normal. Right, let's just grab a glass. Don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it, don't drop it. It's not actually glass, it's plastic this, but yeah, I still don't want to drop it. And there you have it. Carbonated water. So that's it. That's the main difference between the 3 and the 2. You get this cloth, fancy little lint cloth that you can use to clean your sunglasses, and I suppose the nozzle. You get the stainless steel nozzle, and you get the new lever. I can't tell any difference between the lever, but I assume it's just better quality. And you get the new bottle, which is very similar to the old bottle. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions, let me know.